using SQLsus tool. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, what is SQLsus tool, how it works, and then we will perform database penetration using SQLsus. So you need to open Kali Linux operating system, and inside Kali Linux I will show you that how to perform database penetration with SQLsus. So I'm here at Kali Linux operating system, and first of all let me show you that where the SQLsus tool is. So you can click on applications, you can select database assessment, and inside database assessment you can find SQLsus tool right here, right? You can click here and you can open it. So these are the options available in SQLsus, right? The version is 0.7.2 and this basically created by Jeremy. This is the command SQLsus space the options space configuration file, right, or config file. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to create a config file using G command, and then inside config file we need to set the target, and then we can proceed with SQLsus. So let me show you the target first of all. So you can open the browser. We are going to use the same target, the vulnerweb.com website provided by Acunetics. So you can type on Google vulnerweb.com, click on the first link, and this one, testphp.vulnerweb.com using PHP and MySQL. Click and open it. So this is our target. We need to find out the database name, tables name, columns name, and finally data. So for that we need a link. So you can click on artist, you can click on the first one. This is the link which we need, right? So now you can copy it, right click, copy, and you can minimize it, and you can open the terminal here, right? So first of all, what we need to do, we need to create a configuration file, right? And inside configuration file we need to edit it. So how to create a configuration file with SQLsus, let me tell you. So you can type on the terminal SQLsus space dash small g. So after G you need to type the name of the file, .cfg means configuration file. So for example, the file I'm taking is sql.cfg, right? This is the name of the file. Now it is going to save inside the root folder of Kali Linux. So hit enter. So you can see here that configuration successfully saved to sqlsus.cfg, and this file is inside our root folder of Kali Linux, right? Now how to start SQLsus and how to put the target inside it. So first of all, I need to open this sql.cfg file so that I can edit it and I can put my target inside it. So to start it, you can type here gedit space sql.cfg and hit enter. So this is sql.cfg file, right? This is the complete file you can see here. Now at the top of it, yeah, here you can see that this is our URL start. It is giving just an example because this is a comment. So you can see double quotes here, right? Between these double quotes you need to put your target. So right click, basically you don't need to type right click, just type Ctrl+V and you can paste here the target, right? http://testphp.vulnerweb.com. here is the target, right? /artist.php $artist = 1. Now there are combination which you need to put here. For example, you can put apostrophe after 1, right? But you can also try -1. So we have tried in the previous videos that -1 actually works, right? So I will try -1, right? So you can see here that our target is in double quote. You can see http://testphp.vulnerweb.com/artist.php $artist = -1. This is our target, and now you can click save. So the file is saved here. You can close it, right? Now how to start attack here. So to start attack, you can type here SQLsus space. You need to provide the complete path of the file. So the path is inside root folder. So you can type here /root. You can specify here, otherwise it can give you an error. Generally we don't specify root. right? But still you can specify here it's sql.cfg, right? And hit enter. So you can see here that SQL session is loaded here. This is SQL console. First of all, you can type here start to start gathering information about database and hit enter. So here you can see that union columns already set. So you can see here that we got a database name here. So database name is Accurate, right? We already know about database name in the previous video. We have tried database penetration with other tools, but SQLsus can also provide you the same information. This is the user and this is the version of Ubuntu, right? After that, you can find out information about tables. So simply you can type here get space tables to get information about the tables available inside it, right? And you can hit enter. And now you can see here that we got the tables here. So this was our command get space tables, getting table names. So inside Accurate database, so you can see that artist table name, cards, category, featured, guest book, pictures, products, users. So I think user is the right one for us. So inside user, you can see that the columns are also showing here, right? Uname, pass, cc, right? Otherwise you can also type get columns if it is not showing here, right? So you will get the same information again. So get tables to gather information about tables, and get columns to get information about columns. So that's how it works. Next is how to get what is inside uname column, right? So now you need to perform select query inside it. Using select query, you can find out uname and pass and any other detail. Let me show you first of all the uname, how to extract it. So you can type here select space the column name, which is uname, space from which table name. So table name is users, right? Hit enter, and here you can see that we got the uname here, and the uname is test, right? Similarly, you can try with PAWS. So you can type here again select space PAWS from what is the table name users, and hit enter. So now you can see here that we got the username, which is test, and also password is also test. So username and the password of the vulnerweb.com website is right here, test. We have successfully performed database penetration inside it. You can also gather complete information if you type select star means complete information from users, and hit enter. And here you can see this is the complete information, right? Uname, pass, cc, address is also available, email address available here, name, phone number, card number, etc. So you can type star here, and using star you can get the complete information about that particular table name, right? So this is the SQLsus tool. Pretty easy, right? Set the target inside the configuration file, and then you can open the console of SQLsus inside terminal, type get tables, get columns command, and then you can use select query to find out the information inside that particular column. So this is all about SQLsus. If we talk about the section summary, then in this section, first of all, we have learned about SQLite tool, how to get information about database. Then we have performed database penetration with SQL map, JSQL, and finally SQLsus tool. So this is all about this section. In the next section, we are going to learn about password cracking. Thank you.